Hey y'all, it's Courtney from Yellow Daisy. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm really excited because I am doing a really fun project. My husband and I are renting his grandfather's house, and his grandfather built this house back in the early 1950s. So it's really special to our heart, and everything that we do to this house, we make sure that we do it with love, and that we make sure that it just looks great and that he would approve of it. And I think that this is a great addition to this house, and he would have loved it. So today we took out the gutters on our front porch, and then we put up shutters. We went back and forth on colors, and we decided on a really fun seafoamy green, very beachy coastal color. This house is a Cape Cod style house, and it's all white siding, so we needed a little pop of color to just give it a little pizzazz. And now when you turn the corner, it just stands out from the rest of the houses. So I'm really excited to show you guys what we've done. We designed these shutters all by ourselves, and both he and I cut all the pieces, sanded them down, and painted them. And we think they turned out great, so I can't wait for you to see. Enjoy! So here is my house before. As you can see, like I said, it is a Cape Cod style house, all white siding, and we did paint the door last year a greenish color, but it just doesn't pop. We used poplar wood for this project, and we ended up getting about 135 feet. I sanded each board down on the front, the sides, and on the back. My husband made a few 1/4-inch shims, and we put them in between each plank and lined it all up, and then put wood glue down, and then took a nail gun and nailed it all in. And then we measured the same distance on the other side and glued it and tacked it down. And this is what it looked like all put together. We then put wood filler in the holes where the nails were, and then sanded it all down, and then started to paint. I painted them all 2 coats on the front and back and in between. The paint that I used was the Olympic 1 satin exterior paint from Lowe's in Lake Breeze. Please excuse my socks during this project. I didn't want to wear any good shoes because I was scared I would get paint on them, and I accidentally spilt the paint on the driveway, as you can see. So it was a good idea not wearing my good shoes. Here I was just drilling holes in where we were going to attach the shutters to the vinyl siding, and then we took the screws and went ahead and pre-screwed them in so they were ready to go once we put them up on the house. We did 2 big windows on the front, so we used 5 planks on either side at 47 inches, and between each plank we had a 1/4 of an inch gap. And then for the small windows we used 3 planks on each side at 33 inches with the 1/4 of an inch gap. And for the hardware, we used 4-inch black decorative T-hinges. We were able to get those at Home Depot and Lowe's. You'll see us screw in the shutters, but then take them back down. And that's because we're filling the holes with silicone caulk to prevent moisture from getting behind the siding. And then we screw it back in for the last time. And then we'll fill the holes from the screws with the same caulk and wait for it to dry, and then we painted over it with the same color. And the last thing I did was painted the door to match the shutters. And here it is, all finished. I think it turned out really great. It took us about 2 days to do it. We lost light, so we had to wait till the next day to put up the shutters. But all in all, it really wasn't that hard. It's just a little time consuming, but it turned out adorable. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed my DIY video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Happy Easter!